Explain me the Pomodoro technique, please, in 1 or 2 phrases.
The Pomodoro technique is a time management method where you work in focused 25-minute increments, called Pomodoros, separated by 5-minute breaks to stay productive and avoid burnout.
Who are you?
I am Aristoteles, a philosopher from ancient Greece born in Stagira around 384 BC.
Today I want to show you Vtmate, which is a terminal command that you can use to have debates and conversations with AI agents. It also allows you to read file text. So the command is Vtmate. Basically it runs in conversational mode by default. So you can run help and then you see all the options. So the program has 3 basic functions, which are conversation, debates, and read mode. The program comes with a quick sheet PDF that allows you to see all the shortcuts, keyword shortcuts, and the CLI options, as well as some command examples. So basically how it works, Vtmate receives audio from the microphone, and then it uses Whisper. It has integrated Whisper that it turns your speech into text. And then this text is fed into the LLM engine. Currently it supports Ollama or Llama.cpp. So you can basically use this to have conversations, voice conversations and debates with any model in huggingface.com that can run in your hardware. So Vtmate basically transcribes your speech into text, feed it into the LLM engine, and then the LLM engines will reply, the models will reply, right, as text. And then it uses text-to-speech systems. Currently it supports 3 of them. All Whisper, Supersonic, and Kokoro are integrated into the program itself, so you don't have to install anything. And basically the text-to-speech system will turn the outputs from the models into speech, and then it will be sent as audio to you. So that way you can have a conversation, like a loop conversation with microphone, goes to Whisper, Whisper feeds it into Ollama, Ollama replies, Vtmate goes to the text-to-speech system and turns it into audio, and then it goes back to your speakers. You can also initialize the conversation or the debates with the keyboard, so you can have like an initial prompt so that the conversation or the debate starts with this text prompt. Conversation is a live conversation between you, the user, and the AI agent that you choose to speak to. The debate mode is you giving an initial input to an agent and then having this agent talking to another agent, generating like a debate between them. And then you have the read mode, which basically you input some text file and it will just read it phrase by phrase. When the program installs, it installs a default settings file, which is in your home folder, vtmate.vtmate settings. So this is the file. I have it here. So the program has many different agents defined. The first one is the main agent, which is the one that is going to load by default. So it has several fields: the name of the agent, the language, the TTS system that you can use, the voice style, the voice speed, the provider, in this case can be Ollama or Llama server, the base URL this is basically the base URL of the provider, so where Ollama is running. The model, in this case from Ollama, this is the model that is going to use. The system prompt, so each agent gets a system prompt that defines the way it should reply to the prompt. The sound threshold peak is the percentage from 0 to 1. It's like a percentage from 0 to 1 that basically will use the program to detect your audio. So when it's in live mode, the program is recording you, right? So when it detects that there is some noise, so some audio above the 10%, the 12%, then it will say, okay, this is the audio from the user. So it will start processing your audio. And then the end silence is basically Once it starts recording, when it detects 200, so basically 2.5 seconds of silence below this percentage, it will stop recording this input. And this is the PTT mode, the push to talk mode. If it sets to true, you have to press space to talk. You have to keep pushing space while you talk. And this is the whisper model path. Where is the model basically located? So the program, when it installs, it basically contains this file already. So it unzips it automatically, and the model for the voices are also included. The only thing is not included is the Ollama basically, and the models, the AI models. Now I'm going to show you a debate between Einstein and Hegel that I created using Vtmate and the Llama 3.2 3 billion model.
Knowledge is power. Physics illuminates the laws governing our universe, yet wisdom, ethics, determine their application. Technology, without moral guidance, can destroy. Therefore, while physics is profoundly useful, progress requires the cultivation of all human virtues, not just intellectual prowess.
You posit a dialectic tension. Physics yields the idea of nature's laws, but its application demands the subject's ethical will. True power arises not from isolating intellect from morality, but from their concrete synthesis. The Aufhebung of mere technique occurs when ethical reason Sittlichkeit sublates blind utility into free human agency. Progress is the spirit realizing itself through the unity of understanding and duty.
You speak of a profound harmony I have long cherished. Indeed, the pursuit of truth and the cultivation of moral character are not separate paths, but intertwined strands of a single human endeavor. To separate knowledge from ethics is to risk the misuse of great power. True progress arises when our understanding of the universe aligns with our duty to one another. In this unity, we find the true essence of humanity.
So the program comes with very cool other options like the ability to live switch the agents or restart the session, but also a way to export the conversations and debates as text files, as well as audio files.
The Pomodoro technique is a time management method. Work 25 minutes, break 5 minutes, repeat. For 4 cycles, then take a longer break, 20 and 30 minutes.
The program comes with tons of different voices. Some of them have the 3 systems integrated. English will be like the best one with more than 38 voices. So if you like the program, you can go to GitHub, Vtmate, and you can basically download the program, the binary program, and the quick sheet there, so you can start using it. Good luck.